Hi, I'm Professor John R. of the Online Jewelry Academy. Since 2013, the Online Jewelry Academy has produced over 260 videos. We've taken you, our viewer, on virtual field trips and introduced you to industry professionals. But the bulk of our work has been the production of weekly project videos where you've learned basic bench skills and important safety considerations. Now, you could learn all of the foundational skills that you need to know to make jewelry from watching the Online Jewelry Academy's free videos. But if you'd like to step it up and learn in a sequential manner, we've put together a fun, inexpensive 2.5-hour course that's available on udemy.com. Now, in this course, we will cover everything from start to finish in a step-by-step manner while we're teaching you how to make this beautiful fashion necklace. There's a link to the course in the description of this video, so why not sign up now and start making a great piece of jewelry?